Welcome to IFAStories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifá, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Òrúnmìlà, the Iron Moles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifá. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. To explore full Yoruba stories, Ifá teachings, and ancestral wisdom, visit our website, www.ifastories.com. Step into the sacred path for more resources and information. The three Itá of Ifá were born, Pataken. When Ogbe Oyekun came into the world, he was already poisoned. For this reason, he was given the edge of the river as his kingdom. However, due to the venom of Ogbe Oyekun, people, animals, and plants soon began to die, and that entire place began turning into a vast desert. The survivors went to see Òrúnmìlà, who saw in divination the sign of the king, Ogbe Oyekun, and told them that the king had been poisoned from his mother's womb, and that by saving him, the people would be saved. The elders of the town requested an audience with the Oba, who granted it, and they relayed Òrúnmìlà's message. So the king went to Òrúnmìlà's house, and upon seeing him, Òrúnmìlà recognized the great king of the Omulu of Ifá. Òrúnmìlà explained the Ifá of his town and told him, "To prevent you from continuing to harm your people, you must offer 3 ebo, eruru metadundun, adie mefadundun, epo, eni ewefa, all the other ingredients, and awo, money." Before this, he had to make a ebomisi, cleansing bath, with ewefa, the 6 sacred herbs, especially ewe ire or glomera. He then gave those eruru meta, 3 goats, to his Ifá, and he underwent Itá 3 times. During these, his 3 madrinas, spiritual godmothers, appeared in his defense: Di Meji, Juani Meji, and Ragun. Then Ifá told him he must go live in the kingdom of minerals, the most suitable realm for his being. Ogbe Oyekun did everything exactly as instructed, but before departing, he gathered all his people and said, "I now retreat to my kingdom so that you all may be happier. But before I go, I leave one last command. Every time an awo of Òrúnmìlà is initiated, in remembrance of the ebo he made for me, 3 Itá must be performed." And so it has been fulfilled to this day. For every babalawo has 3 Itá. Itá ni Olofin, Itá ni Ifá, Òrúnmìlà, Itá ni Iyoye note. In the sign Ogbe Oyekun, if the awo falls ill, 3 goats must be offered to Ifá, spaced 1 per month for 3 months, and he must bathe with iwe ire in order to save himself from iku, death.